Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm C Slays, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful black and white butterfly makeup look. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Also too, I'm debating if I want to do a flat twist out video. So if you guys think I should do a flat twist out video, let me know what you think in the comments. But yes, look at this butterfly. She is cute, she is fun, she is hot for the spring. So let's get started. Hey loves, so right now I'm just showing you guys my bare face, and of course we're gonna start with the eyebrows. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, I already have an eyebrow tutorial up on my channel. So now we're going to start with priming our lids using LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Light Ivory, and blend that on there, pack that on there. And then I'm going to be going into the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using the brown shade. So using the brown shade, just packing that like all on, just blending that literally all across my lid. I didn't want to do anything that was like super colorful because I already have a colorful butterfly look on my channel. So I'm like, let's keep it simple, let's keep it cute. So yes, just blending that. Now I'm going in with my NYX white eyeliner, and I'm gonna make a wing. Okay. I'm surprised that I was able to film me doing these wings, because wing making be a struggle. I don't know how people make it look easy because my hands be shaking. But yes, just make a line and then try to connect it. But I'm not gonna lie y'all, this NYX liner is it was giving me a hard time because it was cracking. But I looked up some hacks, and basically people just said add like clear lash glue and it'll help. So I don't know if that's gonna help you guys, but yes, I'm not gonna lie, it was cracking a little bit. So now I'm just making that wing liner on the other side and trying to make them like as even as possible. Just keep applying the white liner. And I didn't make the wings too thick. Like I wanted them to be thick enough so people could see it, but not like super thick, if that makes sense. So still just drawing the white wing liner, and boom, period. Now I'm going back into the Afrique palette, and I'm going back in with that brown shade, and I'm basically going to put that underneath my eyes as well. Because it's brown, I didn't feel the need to, to put primer like all underneath my brow. I figured that it'll be okay. So yes, just packing that brown shade back under, packing the brown shade under my eye, because the butterfly, if you want the butterfly color to look even though it's not color, but it's still gotta be brown. And you can clean that up with concealer. And now we're gonna start making the butterfly. So literally I'm going step by step. So I just made like a circular shape at the top, and then I'm gonna go past the white eyeliner a little bit, but just draw a butterfly shape. If it helps you, you can definitely look up a picture of a butterfly and then try to stencil it out that way. But I know for me, like that makes me like anxious trying to copy your picture like through and through. So I was like, let me just draw. And yeah, after seeing what I had, I decided that I wanted it to be more sharp. So I'm just going back in with the black eyeliner and making it more like pointy. Yep. And now I'm going back in with the black eyeliner, and I'm making it more thick, making the outlines for the butterfly more thick. And yeah, I decided to show y'all both eyes, but this is the NYX matte black liner, NYX black matte liner, and I decided to show you guys how I did both eyes, because yeah, practice makes perfect. And I wanted y'all to see that this stuff was not coming out perfectly, but in the end, everything literally is gonna turn out fine. So now I'm just trying to make another butterfly shape on that other eye. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm not done. So yes, just trying to make the butterfly shape on the other eye, and boom. And if you feel like it's not coming out how you want, you can just take some concealer and clean it up. Just act like it's a wing liner and one of them came out crooked and you gotta go back in and, you know, fix it. Like, no worries. We know how to, we problem solvers. So yes, just taking some concealer and a pointed brush, and I'm going to just clean up where I see fit. And now, boom. So I just made some random lines and some like circular shapes. If you guys want to see like those lines in detail, my other butterfly look tutorial shows how I drew the lines, but literally you just draw like 3 or 4 lines, especially since this butterfly is small, 3 or 4 lines, and then 1 or 2 triangular shapes. And it really doesn't matter, and they don't have to be even, because when you add the white dots, it's gonna be fine. So right now I'm just thickening up my outline, my butterfly outline, thickening it up. And now I'm going back in with the NYX white eyeliner and just adding white dots, small white dots, to any place where there's black lines. So that's like the outline of the butterfly, the line that you made on the inside. You just want to fill it up with white dots, and I feel like that's what makes the butterfly look come together. So yes, and try not to add white dots to where there aren't any black lines. I mean, if you make a mistake, that's fine, but the black lines really guide you to where you should put the white dots. And now, almost done. Still adding white dots. Still adding white dots. And boom. Look at that. She is cute. She is fun. Okay. Giving you guys a close-up. Close-up. And now we're going back into the Afrique palette, and we're going to highlight using the shade Kohl, the gold shade. And we're going to go add the gold shade to our inner corners. Yes, adding it to the inner corners, and also adding it to underneath our brow, like our little brow bone, just to, you know, give this look some glow, give it some gold, give it some sparkle. Nothing too crazy, but look at that. It's literally the little things in life. Okay, and now we on lashes, and boom, look at that. Period. Now I'm going in and priming my face with LA Girl Pro Prep primer. And now I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Cappuccino. And also my LA Pro Coverage foundation in the color Toast. And now we gotta blend that. Blend for dear life, honey. Blend, blend, blend. Boom. Now that that's blended, I'm gonna use the Nubian palette to attempt a contour, okay? So I'm taking the darkest shade in the Nubian palette, and I'm just putting that like on my cheeks and on my forehead. And then after blending that out, I'm gonna conceal using the color Fawn. So concealing under my eyes, on my nose, in the center of my forehead, under my chin. Yes, like that's the outline. That's the contour outline. Now we're gonna blend that, blending out the concealer. Blending, 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 blending. And now onto lips. I'm using my Simma Brown Wet n Wild pencil to outline my lips. Yes, just outlining. And now colors. So I'm using True Matte Choco Craze in the color Choco Craze. And yes, now I'm using True Matte, and this is the pink, like a pink shade. And then I'm gonna add some gloss on top of that. And boom. Yes, literally this look was super fun to do, and it's like it's not super difficult. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And yes, and if you guys attempt this look, like, let me see, like, let's see. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. And really, like, let me know if y'all want to see this flat twist out video, because that was my first time doing flat twists, and I really liked how my hair came out. So yes, she is slayed, she is cute, she is springtime, she is black and white, like classic. Yes, so thank you guys.